Let's make tomato tortellini soup. It's creamy and comforting, loaded with cheese, tortellini, tomatoes, and spinach in a savory herbed tomato broth. And the best part, it only takes 30 minutes to make. Let's get started. Let's prep our ingredients. First, we'll chop up some baby spinach. Then I'll dice up half an onion. This is a sweet onion, but as I always say, use whatever you have. Then I'm going to chop up some garlic. This is about 4 cloves. Now, let's cook the soup. In a large pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. When that's melted, add the diced onion. Cook until the onion starts to soften and get translucent, about 3 minutes. Then add the garlic. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning blend, or you can make your own. I have a video for that and I'll link it in the description. Half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon freshly cracked black pepper. And a big pinch of kosher salt. Stir that for about a minute so all the garlic and spices become fragrant. Then add a big can of crushed tomatoes and a big can of diced tomatoes and a liter, or about 4 cups, of chicken stock. Stir and bring the soup to a boil and then add a package of cheese tortellini. When that starts to bubble again, lower the heat to medium-low and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the tortellini is completely cooked. Add the chopped spinach. Stir until the spinach has wilted. And then add heavy cream. Stir until the cream is heated and the soup has thickened. Taste and add more salt and pepper if needed. To serve, top the soup with fresh basil leaves. And optionally, you can add some grated Parmesan cheese and some more freshly cracked black pepper. And that's tomato tortellini soup. You can find the link to the full printable recipe in the description box. If you learned anything from this video, please give it a like and share with a friend. Those things really do help out a small channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like making soup, check out this recent compilation.